Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Amazon gift card to PayPal, or even it is possible or not. So, usually you will go to amazon.com, then just simply click on your account, then gift cards. Now, just simply click on redeem a gift card, and right over here you will normally enter your gift card and the balance will be added to your gift card balance. So in order for you to know more, just simply go to the terms and condition over here. Now, over here in the second part, you can clearly see that your Amazon balance cannot be used to purchase other gift cards, prepaid open, loop cards, or certain third-party cards. Gift card cannot be reloaded, resold using payment outside of Amazon.com or its affiliate properties. So, as you can see clearly, there is no other option for you to get the Amazon gift card amount to your PayPal. So, the only option that you have is to just simply sell the Amazon gift card on any random site where Amazon gift cards can be sold. And once you sell your Amazon gift card, you can get the amount directly in your PayPal. Or if you want, you can just simply give to any one of your friends or relative and take the money from them. So that's the only logical option that you can try in order for you to get the money in PayPal. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.